ശരീരം ഉണ്ടാവുന്നത് ഭക്ഷണത്തിൽ നിന്നാണ്. ഭക്ഷണമില്ല ഈ ശരീരമില്ല. A small child, going on eating, it becomes a man of say 60 kilos with all the development of the systems. If there is no food, he will never grow, the boy will never grow, or so the child will never grow, it will die. So the whole body is made up of nothing but your food that you eat. It is made from that only. The ingredients for the construction of the body structures comes from your food. So the quality of food actually determines actually the quality of the body. Now the quality of vegetarian food and quality of the non-vegetarian food is a little different. Different in the sense, the quality of the vegetarian food is such that it does not have any, say, it also has got a mind. So that mind is not disturbed because there is no violence involved there. So when you pluck a mango, you are not hurting the mango tree. When you are milking a cow, you are not hurting the cow. But whereas in non-vegetarian this, you are simply killing them. That killing involves violence, and the victim actually is really tortured. So that tortured mind of that organism is left behind in that stuff. So that violence is retained there. So so there is a difference in the quality of vegetarian food and non-vegetarian food, because non-vegetarian food involves a sort of a violent reaction and violence involved there, and the victim is actually dying not peacefully but violently. It is not a peaceful death. So that violence and that struggle and everything is actually retained in that food also. So when you eat it, these impressions are slowly transferred to the structure of your mind. So the mind gets transformed. So what happens is the violent nature, the very negative influences, all these things can easily come into the structure of the mind, and the mind will have a definite changed structure there. So for example, all this vegetarian food eating, the vegetarians in the animal kingdom, they are all docile, whereas these carnivores, meat-eating ones, they are all very violent and very cruel. In man, actually we have a choice, either to become a cruel or bad person or to become a good person only. Whereas the other animals have got to simply follow their instinct, they cannot change. A lion cannot change, it can't start eating mangoes. No, it's not possible. But a man can. The entire system of human being is made for change. So you can take a decision not to do this and then you can do that. ആ ഡിസിഷൻ മേക്കിംഗ് കപ്പാസിറ്റി ഉള്ളതുകൊണ്ടാണ് നമ്മളൊക്കെ മനുഷ്യരായത്. മനനശീലമുള്ള ആളാണ് മനുഷ്യൻ. മീൻസ് വിവേക ബുദ്ധിയുള്ള ആൾ, ഇൻ്റലിജൻ്റ് റിയാക്ഷൻ, അതായത് യു ക്യാൻ കോസ് ആൻഡ് ഇഫക്റ്റ് ഇതിൽ നമുക്ക് അനലൈസ് ചെയ്ത് കാര്യകാരണം ചെയ്ത് നമുക്ക് അനലൈസ് ചെയ്ത് യു ക്യാൻ അറൈവ് അറ്റ് ദ റൈറ്റ് ഡിസിഷൻ, ഗുഡ് ഓർ ബാഡ്, ആൻഡ് ദെൻ ഡു ദ ഗുഡ്. യു ക്യാൻ ഡു ഇറ്റ്. ഇഫ് ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഡൺ, you become a man. If that is not done, you simply follow your instinct or grabbing things and things like that, you become an animal only. So that is why to become a sattvic man or a human being to this, you have to forgo this meat. That's why the sannyasis and all those people say they stick to strict vegetarian food, satvika bhakshana. That's why they, so that their thoughts are pure, their actions are pure, and they think rightly. They have got a very good discriminative power of the good and bad, and they are very much knowledgeable, and then they become the God themselves.